Hello, how is everybody doing today? I am back. I am very excited. I am very happy to open this up. I received my Planner Society kit for the month, and I think this is for the month of April. This is for April, and I've opened it up already and taken a look, but I wanted to share it. This is the washi kit right here, and then they also had, this is the sticker. The functional sticker kit is in here. Yes, so those are separate, and then these are part of the main kit. I put them here and I was looking at them. They had quite a bit of nice stickers this month. They had that one, and they have a lot of swans going on. And that swan is, the light is hitting it, but it's really faint right here. Let's see here. Let me see if I can maybe zoom in. There we go. And then these are also part of the stickers in the kit. And they're all teeny tiny. Look how tiny these are. I'm not sure. I don't think I'll be able to get much writing in those boxes. I don't know how I'm going to use them just yet, but I'm going to probably use these little ones in my snail mail. What I'll do is I'll put probably the initial of the person who I'm writing to here, and maybe put it on the envelope or in the page inside my letters, because those are real tiny and there's not really much more that you could put into those particular little boxes. And then this is the washi tape that came with the monthly box. It's so cute. I love those swans. Adorable. Very, very pretty. And this is the pen that came this month in the kit. It has a pretty nice weight to it. I love the pinks and the whites, and I love the color of the little pen holder here, and the color in the middle here. Very, very pretty. Let's see. Oh wow, nice pen. It's got the little thing that protects the tip. I don't think I've noticed that before in some of the other pens, but see, the pen does not fit into here, so you got to hold it. So that's one of the things I don't like, that it has that, but there's nothing you can do about it. I mean, it just does not have the back side. And let's see here. Let me get a piece of paper here so that I can write on. And let's put these over here and that right there. And let's see here. Oh yeah, it writes really nice. Oh, it writes really smooth. I like that. Nice, nice and smooth. This very, very pretty. But it does not go in the back side of the pen. That's kind of a bummer, but that's just the way it is. And there's the writing. Writes real smooth. Very, very smooth. And these are, I think these are some pouches that came in the kit. Let's see here. Oh, yes. Very, very cute. Let's see if I can put these. No, not that way. If I can go this way. There we go. These are little pouches that she's made again for, where do they open up here? They're right here. And you can stick these onto your planner and then use them as pockets. Now, I haven't had a use for making pockets in my planner yet, but these pockets can also be used in my journals, so I can put little mementos and little memories in there as well. Very cute. Love that idea. So those came in there. And then they have these, which I have used. I think one from the last kit, I think, came with, oops, got some ink on my fingertip. So I've only used one from a previous kit. I haven't used many more than that, but they're like this to do. And I think I put it on a paper clip or on a little wooden clothespin. And then it has the week. Let me see, I haven't week. And she's got different designs. And then this one says notes. So, and these are some gold tone here. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. But I have not found too many uses for them just yet. I have to kind of fidget around with that and see what I'm going to use them for. And then this one is a little bling swan. Very cute. It's like a sticker. Not sure what I'm going to use that for either. Now these little guys I do use off and on, and then I save them to use them again because I do put these on paper clips and clip them to the top of my binder. But this time, which is nice, the words are actually in black. Sometimes the words come in a font or in a color of a font that's very hard to read, but this one is actually easy to read, which makes it more likely to be used by me when the letters are dark like that. And then these are they just make them into different designs that are in the box. And then they have these bow paperclip markers with little cute little bows on them. And I love these. They don't have a lot of writing space on them, these sticky notes, but they have enough if you want to write a little something. And this swan is going to be real pretty in my planner. Sometimes there's something that I want to write in my planner, but I don't want to write it permanently on the page. So I'll put it on one of these sticky notes, and then once it becomes permanent, then I'll remove the sticky note and put it in the actual planner. But this is like a temporary holder for a quick note. Now I do love, and I haven't opened it yet, this little page. It's like a holder for it's exactly, I think from what I heard, the size that will hold the little note, the little sticker sheets that she puts in her. So it's got a little band on it and cute little flowers, and it's kind of like the ones that I've been getting at Michael's, but with a flower design from the Planner Society. And you can put your sticker pages in here and put them in your bag, which I do have a bag that I carry with me when I'm on the go. I just put it in the car with me, and I can put, it's got a lot of pages here. I can put stickers in here. Now this is pretty nice. Let's see here. Let's see. Like, I think what they were talking about was that these pages would fit. Oh yeah, they would fit. They were made to fit the size to fit those. And that is kind of cool because I think what I have now, what I've been doing is I have been putting, my planner is very thick right now. I have to clean it out and whatnot. But what I've been doing is I've been putting my stickers, and these are in my planner like this. And that's what I've been doing. And as I've been using them, I kind of flip through them as I need them. And then I just take the sticker that I need from the pages. So I kind of put them all together. This one, so I kind of mix and match them. And this one only has a few left. So mix and match them. And then I just tuck them back inside this little corner here. And here's a little llama pin. I think Kimmy Kim gave me that one. But my planner right now is kind of on the fat side. So I need to clean it out and remove some pages. But this will hold those sticker sheets now, and I can put them in here and take them with me on the go. Okay, so I like that. I love that actually. And that goes with that. And these are so stinking cute. They've been putting these huge ephemera pieces in the kits lately. And I think that they're so cute. I use these in my card making, and I use these in my letter writing. And I don't think I've used any of them yet in my planner, but I've used them in other arts and craft projects that I have. Um, I suppose I could make some page markers with some of them, but I haven't yet. So, but I have been using them as decorative pieces on my snail mail. There's just so many of them. I don't know if I want to take the time to go through all of them. Some of them are real teeny tiny. Majority of them are huge. I love that one with the suitcases and the little old-fashioned style camera. Really cute. And here is the adorable swan that is so prevalent in so much of the kit. Oh, I love this one that's coming up. Not that one. This one is adorable. I love that. It's so stinking cute. I love that. It's so cute. I wanted a pink typewriter like that, but I actually ended up with a white one. I was able to get my hands on a white one. So let me put these down here. And then they have these cards, and I guess they usually have the big cards separate from in a separate package from the ephemera, but this month they all came in the same package. So they have these cute cards with some sayings on them. Let me put them like this. And they have some cute little sayings on them to use. I put these to decorate my page dividers, my divider sheets in my sections in my planner. So that's what I use those for. Cute. I love those. Very, very stinking cute. And then last but not least, she has her paper that she puts in to these packagings, and I never take these out usually when I do my my show and tell videos, because I open them up as soon as I'm ready to use them, and that way they don't get damaged on me. So I will leave those in there. There are plenty of videos where the ladies do open these up and show them one by one, but I don't tend to do that. I used to, but then my pages started getting damaged in between showing them and using them, so I kind of I don't open the packages anymore before I'm ready to use them because of that. And but I do love, my favorite part of this kit, though I love it all, my favorite part is this sticker sheet holder. And these are my functional planner stickers here that comes in a separate, this is a separate little kit. And these are this type of sticker that you saw, and I have a variety of them still to be used in my current planner. I just put them in there and use them as I need them, and when one of the pages gets emptied out, or if there's only one or two stickers on there that I know that I won't use, then what I do with those is I put them in my snail mail, and I send them to someone who I know will have a use for it, and that way it doesn't get wasted. And then in her washi kit, she had the little car, the little Volkswagen little car. And then she also had this little white and black floral design. And then the big washi was this big pink background with the white flowers. And I love my florals, and I love these kits. I love using them every month. They make my planner look pretty. And like I said, I think in a prior video, nobody ever sees my planner really except me. You got a small glimpse of it there, but I was planning on doing plan with me's, but then I decided I wasn't going to, because really there's so many things that I put in there that are just for me that I chose not to share it. But it's very important. I mean, who else would your planner need to be the way it needs to be but for you? It needs to be something that you like, something that you enjoy looking at often. and something that inspires you to be a better time manager and a better for whether it is for your job or for your life, that your planner is for you to enjoy and for you to get the most benefit of from your time. And so all these goodies that I tend to use in my planner are for me, just for me to look at. And of course, there's a odd item that I may use in a pen pal letter or in a card or something, but that's different, and that is meant to be shared, but it's not in a planner format. So at that point, it's okay to do that. But anyhow, those are just my thoughts on the planner, what the planners are for, and how I use them, and how they make me feel. But anyhow, you all have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back next month with the next Planner Society kit and see what that brings. I'm sure it'll bring lots of beautiful things, and I will see you then. Bye now.